How to make sortable data type in Python. I have a class representing something with a few fields. When a list of instances of this class is sorted, I want them to be sorted in a particular order, get a particular key from each one. I can just do list.sortKey equals classname.sortKey, and define a sortKey method, but I'd rather just do list.sort and have it work out. I figure I can do this by overriding _cmp_. However, what do I do when I'm comparing with something that is not my data type? I figure something like but that works instead. I don't care what ordering they take in a heterogeneous list. I would just return 0, but then stuff like my class ... equals x is always true, for any x not an instance of my class.
Check out this URL. You want to override _lt_ in your class for the built-in sort function to work the way you described.
If you want to support the channel, please consider